parking lot so I could dump it out in the grass. It was horrible. It smelled like a porta potty. But I'm really, really happy that I did it because no one else was gonna do it. So. Okay. So they wanted a countdown for 10K, so I'll do a countdown for you guys. It's gonna be so awkward. One, oh sorry, 10 down to one, right? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's your countdown. You're welcome. Your screen is sticky now? That's funny. Thanks for the follows, everyone.